Welcome to this beautiful Stafford property, situated on 6 peaceful acres. Here you can enjoy close-in country living, an opportunity to fulfill the dream of relaxed living, surrounded by the beauty of nature. It's conveniently located, close to the Willamette and Tualatin rivers, parks, great restaurants, and wine country. Heading inside, you'll discover an inviting interior in this home of nearly 3,200 square feet. Numerous large windows reveal tranquil views. The great room opens to the dining area and the sunlit kitchen. It's thoughtfully designed to allow abundant natural light and bring the beauty of the outside in. The main floor master suite is a private retreat with its own full bath. You'll find 2 more bedrooms and another full bath on this upper level. On the lower level, you'll find more generous spaces, including a family room, 2 more bedrooms, a den, and bath. A separate entrance leads to the large workshop. The recently updated outdoor space includes a beautiful deck where you can entertain or soak in the serene setting. Or gather with friends on the paver patio by the built-in fire pit. Built in harmony with its surroundings, you can enjoy evening strolls through the expansive property. A red barn outbuilding provides extra storage. Living here, it's easy to relax and relish in your 6-acre surroundings, while you also enjoy the convenience of easy access to I-205. Your own private sanctuary. It's all here on Southwest Mountain Road, and it's ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or to schedule your personal tour, please contact Kaylee Naoni with Premier Property Group at 503-260-9558.